Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back. So we're chasing down this misfire today. So I got the intake ports cleaned, walnut blasted. It's a really important thing you need to do, and it's really, I mean, it's DIY-able, but really, I think it really makes more sense to have a shop do it. So, but I'll talk more about that in a separate video. So I've pinpointed the misfire. I got a scan tool and pinned it down at cylinder 6. So first thing we're gonna do is pop this hood, remove this cowl and the engine cover, and that's all identical to the N52. So I have a video on accessing the engine bay. I'll go ahead and card that here. It's an identical process. It's nothing different. So let's go ahead and do that, and then let's check out cylinder 6 and try to figure out what's going on over there. Alright, so now I've got the cowl out of the way and the engine cover off. Fortunately, I've dropped my Allen bolt down in there somewhere and I cannot see where it went. Oh, no, that's not it. I don't know where it went. It went down right down in this area somewhere. I'll have to figure it out. Anyway, so this is the valve cover here. It's not in great condition, but what I can say is it's not like a horrible leak. So I'm wondering if it's leaking on the inside and getting oil on the cylinder, on the spark plug I mean, and causing this misfire, or if it just needs a new coil. And if it does, I'm going to do all 6 since they tend to go in bunches. So let's try to find this misfire. I'm going to go ahead and swap the coils, and I'm going to start the car and try to make the misfire follow. Alright, so the coil kind of suctions to the plug, so sometimes they're pretty hard to get off. So a trick I learned on the other car is to use an extension and kind of feed it through. Kind of, yeah, just like that, right off. Oh my God, that doesn't even need to be moved to find out that that's the cause of this misfire. This coil is drenched in oil. So I think that this kind of changes the plans of moving it. This is the misfire, so we know that the valve cover is leaking oil onto the coil and plug and all of that, and this is causing the misfire. That is really not that big a deal. It's a little bigger deal than just a bad plug. So, because the valve cover and the valve cover gasket need to be done like ASAP now. Anyway, so yeah, that's yeah, I know what to do. Now I just got to do it. So we've diagnosed this misfire, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned. We'll be replacing this valve cover very shortly, and I guess all the plugs and coils at the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull a couple more plugs and coils and just see what they look like, and yeah, I'll let you know. Oil on them all. Lots of oil. I guess I'm just going to try to kind of wipe some of this oil up and put them back in. Cylinder 1 looks fine. Number 2 is horrible. There's oil all down in